This is a video on how to change a headlight bulb. First, you're going to want to open up the hood. Once you're inside. Okay. So first you're going to unhook the wire. Then you're going to push this and then remove it. Here's the bulb. It looks as if there is a little weak spot in the middle there. We got a new one coming. We're going to replace them both. We're going to open this. We remove the bulb, and now I bought these bulbs off Amazon. They had good reviews. We'll see how long they last. They were cheap. Okay, we're going to do the other side so that you can understand how it works. So you take off this cover first. Remove this. Then push that down and over and pull this out. Notice the direction that this is in. This was facing down, the little point. This bulb's still good. We're going to save him. This one's a little blue looking. So it's got that little thing that faced down the way it was in here, or at least that's how the last one was. You can sort of move it around, and then it'll stop where it's supposed to be. Once it stops, you pull that across, and then you go clip clip. And we're back to normal. Then we put this little boot over the back. And they should work now. Headlights work. Although it looks like my marker light's out on this side. That'll have to be a new video. There's a long stick that you twist in there.